Hi guys, we've been asked to just put a little thing together about how we create these selective color images of ours, and it's actually quite easy in Lightroom. It's probably the easiest way to do it, and what we do is we go to our original full color image, best to make a virtual copy of it so that we're not messing with that original one, and now we have it there. So what you do is you head up to the right hand side of the screen, click on your adjustment brush right up at the top there, and then go down and drag your slider, your saturation slider, all the way down to 0. Get a large brush and just paint over the whole image, okay? And that removes all the saturation out of the picture, and we end up with a completely black and white picture. Now on the right hand side, down the bottom of that palette, that brush control palette, you'll see the word erase. Click on that, and now we can, if you hold your spacebar down and click on the bird's face or whatever you want to zoom into, it zooms into the area, and now we erase that mask, that desaturation mask that we painted onto the. You've got to do it fairly carefully. I'm not going to be all that careful here because, well, this is just to show how it's done. And work your way through the whole image. If you make a mistake and oops, we go over onto the area outside the thing we want to bring back the color on, just go down here to the, again on the bottom of that palette, on the left hand side you'll see an A. Click that, and that brings back the original brush, and we can now just paint out that area that we made the area on. So we clean that up, and then you go back to your erase tool and we erase more of that image. Hold down your spacebar, click, and there it is. And you've got to go through it carefully. It does take a little bit of a while, but it's still probably the easiest way to do it. And when you've finished, well, there it is, it's done, and you've got your original one over there, and then the one that you've been working on. So that's it, very easy to do. There is a way to do it in Photoshop as well, and we can cover that if anybody is interested, but really Adobe Lightroom is probably the easiest way to do it.